iPhone Wireless CarPlay, it's the newest model with USB port. For compatible with the most car, it come with Type-C to USB adapter. For how to use, you can refer to our use guide. Just plug to your car and turn on the phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then find device named and click to pair it. After the pairing is successful, you can perform simple operations. CarPlay support map navigation, easy to travel. Play music and volume control. And then, CarPlay support voice assist and phone calls. After first pairing, CarPlay support auto connect to your car. With good compatibility and flexibility.